Hi guys, welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. It may look a little different. The scenery is not the normal scenery, but I'm home visiting my parents in San Diego. Kind of looks like I'm in the wilderness up here, but I'm actually in my parents' backyard. My dad built all of this. All these stairs. I hope I'm getting them. Yeah, so I had to come up here, enjoy my gelato, and this view. I wanted to tell you about today's video. It is a quick and easy rice pilaf. We eat it with just about everything. And we toast these little vermicelli noodles with samneh, which I have a video for. And it just gives the rice such a good flavor. I'm out of breath because I just climbed up all these stairs, but it's delicious. I really hope you give it a try. So let's check it out.